colors.
As part of our Christmas special videos, I would like to first start off with our Christmas tree. Let's start by making a star on top of our Christmas tree. Then we're going to make our first layer of branches on top of our Christmas tree. We're going to keep going until we have reached 4 layers of branches on our Christmas tree. We're going to finish it off with our Christmas tree trunk. And now it's time to decorate our Christmas tree. Let's use dark green for that. Decorate our Christmas tree with some stars and some bubbles. Let's use yellow for the stars and blue for the bubbles. Now it's time for the bubbles. How about we draw some red bubbles as well? Christmas tree is starting to look more and more pretty. All of our bubbles are in a circle shape. And now for the finishing touches, we will color our trunk with the color brown. And our Christmas tree with the color light green. got our star on top of our Christmas tree. Let's color it with yellow. And there you have it, kids, our Christmas tree. Now let's wait for Santa to come. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share with your family and friends. Merry Christmas!